Hello friends, my name is Mukesh Betana. As we have seen the translation, now MCQ. First MCQ, Aham Ghat Panditaha. Options Smaha, Asmi, Asti, Santi. Asmi coming because first person singular. It's word joining word that is me. So Asmi. Vayu iti sabdasya paryay shabdaha. Synonyms of the words Vayu. That means see, Vataha. Third one, see, Vataha. Gavak Sabdasya Arthakaha. What is the meaning of the word Gavaks? Its meanings that is balcony. Gavaks means balcony. Bhupalaha Marge Suvarna Khandam. Bhupala means king. Marge on the way Suvarna Khandam. Akshipataha. See, past tense is there, so Akshipataha. Third person singular. That is why ta coming. And adding up to show the past tense. Sansare kidesam janam paradetu koapi nati. Which type of person is not losing in this society? Santushtam, who satisfied, who does not have that type of curiosity, who satisfied, that person is not losing, not facing difficulties. Aham danam karishyami, I will give donation. Me coming. Because aham means first person singular and the aham sign first person singular sign me. Karishyami. Kasya sikre mungut sadartishtati. Where does or which place this crown look good? Mastakasya, on the head. B. Second one. Mastakasya. Again, in first MCQ, B coming answer, second one Asmi, in second Vataha, third one, in number 3 balcony, last one D, in number 4 Akshipataha, third one C, in number 5 second Santushtam, in number 6 second one Karishyami, and number 7 Mastakasya, second one B. Clear? So in this way MCQ answer also clear. Now answer in Sanskrit. Sanskrit into Sanskrit. Question also in Sanskrit, answer also in Sanskrit. Agni kam bhasma karoti. To whom fire will destroy. Then have to add fire will destroy hammer. So Agni mudagaram bhasma karoti. Kaha kat, and in place of kaha have to add one word, that is mrudugaram, hammer. And in place of question mark you will have to write full stop because answer is there. Clear? Agnihi mrudgaram bhasma karoti. Come cut and have to write mrudgaram. Fire can destroy the hammer. Rahu can shanta bhavti. How can Rahu become satisfied or quiet? Rahu dan grahanen shanta bhavti. In place of can have to write dan grahanen. By accepting money, accepting charity, Rahu become satisfied or peace. Third, santosh eva kasya param nidhanam. Santosh, that satisfaction is which type of end? Santosh eva kasya param nidhanam. Santosh eva purushasya param nidhanam. Best treasure. Satisfaction, as you know, is the best treasure of man. Kasya means whose. Then have to add one word. Santosh eva purushasya param nidhanam. Last, Brahmaraha putra bandha bhavati. Where does bee become prisoner? Puspasya antarbhage. The bee become prisoner in the inner part of the flower. भ्रमरः पुष्पस्य अंतभागे बंदी भवति. कुत्र cut and पुष्पस्य अंतभागे, that you have to add. Clear? That you have to add. Clear? So अग्नि कम भस्म करोति. आंसर अग्नि मुदगरम भस्म करोति. राहु केन शांत भवति. राहु दान ग्रहणेन शांत भवति. थर्ड वन, संतोष एव कस्य परम निधानम. संतोष एव पुरुषस्य परम निधानम. भ्रमरः कुत्र बंदी भवति. भ्रमरः पुरुषस्य पुष्पस्य अंतभागे बंदी भवति. भ्रमरः पुष्पस्य अंतभागे बंदी भवति. क्लियर? सो दैट इज द क्वेश्चन आंसर. Now third, 4, 5, no need of writing. Direct number 6. Translate into Sanskrit by using the word. Translate into Sanskrit by using this particular words given in bracket. The king sees a yacht. The king sees a yacht. Then Nupaha yuvakam pasyati. See, Nupa written, then Nupaha, two dot have to write. Yuvakam, and third person in singular, that is why from pasya it become pasyati. So correct answer, that is Nupaha yuvakam pasyati. King sees the young man. By using the words in the bracket, you have to write sentence in Sanskrit. People go to the assembly. People, that you know, janaha. Janaha sabham gachanti. Jana from jana is plural from janaha. Sabham, have to add point upper side. Gam means gach. From gach it become gachanti because plural form. Third person plural. Then anti is the particular pronunciation of it. From gach and adding anti, gachanti. Virtues are worshipped in Dharadesh. Third one. Dharadeshe Gunanam puja bhavati. Dharadeshe, from gun it become Gunanam. Puja, from bu it become bhavati. Dharadeshe Gunanam puja bhavati. Virtues are worshipped in Dharadesh. Bhoj was favorite among his people. Bhoj prajasu priya asita. Bhoj was favorite among his people. That means Bhojaha prajasu priya asita. Past tense form, that is asita. Prajasu, of people. Bhoj was favorite among his people. Bhojaha prajasu priya asitaha. Agni burns the hammer. Agni burns the hammer. Bahi mudgaram dahati. From da it become third person singular. That is why dahati. Clear? So that is like this giving English sentence and in bracket Sanskrit word given. With some changes we have to write the complete sentence in Sanskrit. Clear? Next, मातृभाषायाम अनुवाद करता. मातृभाषायाम अनुवाद करता means translate answer in English. मातृभाषायाम अनुवाद करो. उत्तरत लिखता means answer in English. How was King Baj? Write answer in English. How was King Baj? You know, King Baj was a lover of learning and fine arts. King Baj was a lover of learning and fine arts. He was devoted to his subject. That means he loved the people higher. Subject means people. Devoted, continuously busy in the well-being of the people. That is called devoted. He appreciated scholar. He respected scholar, appreciated scholar. He praised the scholar. An artist who knows some art. He gave higher respect to knowledgeable person. Appreciate scholars and artists who know some art. He was also a brilliant conversationalist who believing in doing argument. Conversationalist believing in talking, discussion. So he was again lover of learning, lover of fine arts, and always devoted to his subject, means devoted to people. He appreciate scholars and artists. He himself believing in justice. He was honest. He was lover of learning, and that is why he appreciated knowledgeable person. He appreciated artists who know some art. He kept this type of scholars and artists in his court, and according to their advice he ruled. That shows that he was kind by heart. He wanted to rule in the heart of the people and believing in justice. He himself didn't do anything wrong, and he did not allow to enter anything wrong in his country, in his kingdom. So, how was King Bos? Then we can say that King Bos was a lover of learning and fine art. He was devoted to his subject, people. He appreciated scholars and artists, and he was also a brilliant conversationalist, believing in discussion. Why does the Yath believe himself to be Ghat Pandit? Why does the Yath believing himself to be Ghat Pandit? The Yath believed himself to be Ghat Pandit because this is from question. The Yath believed himself to be Ghat Pandit because according to him he was full of knowledge. According to him, he was full of knowledge. As a pitcher filled with water up to its brim that till upper part. Again, the Yath believing himself to be Ghat Pandit because according to him he was full of knowledge. As a pitcher filled with water up to its brim, like this, he was full of knowledge, and that is why he himself believing to be Ghat Pandit. Pandit, that knowledge. Ghat Pandit, as the pot full of water, like this, he himself think that he was full of knowledge, and that is why himself believing to be Ghat Pandit. Some person, as believing like this, but in reality Ghat Pandit, then believing no problem, but not Ghat Pandit then also believing, it is somehow difficult. Next, when does the discussion between King Bos and the Yath stop? Why? When does the discussion, talking, stop? Why? What is the reason of stopping this discussion? When the topic of contentment came up in the discussion, The discussion stopped. When the topic of the contentment came up, both satisfied. Then the discussion come to an end. When the contentment come, everything's become calm and quiet. When the contentment comes, everything become calm and quiet. Now, not out of these two, any particular person want to ask or want to do argument further. That is why it comes to an end. According to their urge to excel also subsided. Accordingly, their urge to excel also. Excel means try to show higher, to show their strength. Also substitute become end, the discussion stop. That is why discussion stop. Both did the argument, as we have seen. Long discussion taken place. Both satisfied. Not anyone want to ask further. That means both satisfied, and satisfaction is the best ornament. That is why not anyone out of these two want to ask any question. What was the speciality of Dharadesh? Question number 4, last. What was the speciality of Dharadesh? Characteristics, speciality. As you know, this particular place, Dhara, also famous, and that is why telling that the speciality of the Dharadesh, the merit of quality was worshipped in the kingdom of Dhara. The merit of quality, good things, quality that you know, is or was worshipped in the Dharadesh. Nobody break any rules. Nobody could do anything wrong. Quality maintained. Good people, knowledgeable person, always rewarded. King Bhoj give respect to knowledgeable person, artist, as we have seen. He himself was a lover of literature, lover of fine arts, and that is why he himself respected to expert, knowledgeable persons and artists. He gave place in his court. He kept them there, and he appreciated knowledgeable person, artist who has some this type of art, knowledge, because according to him, knowledge is power, and that is why he always respected knowledgeable person, artist, lover of learning, lover of literature. He always respected. He praised, and he never be tired by discussion, because he himself fond of doing discussion. That is why he is conversationalist, because believing in conversation, believing in discussion. King Bhoj respected scholar and artist. He gave high respect. As it is said, Yatha Raja Tatha Praja, as you know, like this king, like these people, Yatha Raja Tatha Praja. If king good, people also good. King knowledgeable, people also knowledgeable. King ruled properly, people also living properly. King didn't do anything wrong, people also didn't do anything wrong or don't do anything wrong. That is why telling Yatha Raja Tatha Praja. King was kind, people also were kind. But king was cruel, then what can people do? People also have to become cruel. Here King Bhoj ruled in the heart of the people, and that is why he firmly believed in this particular matter, that he himself was knowledgeable and he respect knowledgeable person, because he realized that knowledge is power, and that is why he firmly believed in this way. The people also appreciated and respected virtues. People also, king believing, then people also naturally believing in virtues. People also believing in doing work, good work. People also become knowledgeable. People also become artists. Then it is possible that king respected them, keeping in his court, and appreciated him or them. That was very important for us. We must think about this particular point. Now see in activity given, write the brief, the theme of the prose, Param Nidhanam, and present one of the stories from Bhoj Prabandh in the class. Bhoj Prabandh, as you know, written by Bhoj. So we must know about this king. Otherwise, as you know, there were many kings, but hardly you find king like King Bhoj. Most of the kings were cruel, did not pay attention towards kingdom, pass time, waste money behind luxurious life. But King Bhoj was not that type of king, and that is why physically he died, but philosophically he lived. People did not forget him. Today also his lessons, his books coming, and he become immortal. Hardly you see that people do not hear the name of King Bhoj. That shows that he was lover of literature, fine arts, and always devoted to his subject. That is why people loved him. He ruled in the heart of the people because he himself didn't do anything wrong. Always busy in doing good to his people. That was his, what you call it, work, activity, and he himself continuously busy in doing good activity, in taking the name of his kingdom higher. He himself believing in reality, he himself believing in giving respect to knowledgeable person, artist, and he always himself believing that people who are knowledgeable and who knows art must be respected. Then it is possible that people live in his country, in his kingdoms, live peacefully. That shows that he earned higher name and fame. He wrote many books. Today also his books are taught in the school level as well as college level in Sanskrit. That shows that he was remarkable, physically died, but philosophically his writing, his ideas also exist today. Brings the end of this lesson here. Have to write this MCQ and question answer what I have taught. Everything you will have to write one time in your book and read two times. What I have explained in translation. Clear? Next lesson I will teach you in next period. Okay? Bye. Thank you. Bye.